I request our Vice Chancellor, Sir, Professor Neela Satyanarayana, to give away his words, and also I welcome the Chief Guest, Mr. Swaminathan, associated as a corporate trainer with ADS Park for the last 2 years, to give his guest lecture for today's program. Is the best way to give away the knowledge to the students. Now, I request our Professor and Vice Chancellor, Dr. Neela Satyanarayana, sir, to give away a special address.
Good afternoon, friends. Our honors and respects to the great visionary, our former president, Dr. Samuel Colonel Dr. Professor Nagarajan, and Madam Dr. Sekhula Nagarajan. Today's our chief guest R. Swaminathan, the Director of MIPP International Limited, and also our well-known friend Stephen Raj, and our coordinator of the Entrepreneurship Development Cell, and our faculty and student friends. I am extremely happy that our entrepreneurship club have taken up the issue of how to create the awareness and also motivate our students toward the entrepreneurship. They invited our guests to give the motivational and also the way in which you have to work from today onwards to become entrepreneurs of whatever magnitude you feel like. Because as we are going for placement, because already the entrepreneurs are available, because industries are available, or business organizations or service organizations are existing to give the employment to you. So, they are also like you, sometime back they are students in one college or in one university. And how to become the entrepreneurs is only your interest and your passion and your endeavor to become the entrepreneurs. Entrepreneur is not at all very difficult, but one should have interest. Let me tell you, so one of my classmates, so we both of us joined in the APP Paper Mills Rajahmundry, and I joined in again Andhra University when we were on the request of the principal of engineering college where I have studied. And whereas other of my friend, and he taken a 6th June because we are the fathers are merchants of jute factory. For silk industry, when it has come for the sale, he took for 40 lakhs because of course through the bank loan. And today he has grown to a level of multi-millionaire and is one of the leading industrialists in India. That the group chairman of GMR Group, the GMR. So we studied together, and my direction is both are working in the same plant. And also I tried to take one sick cardboard industry in Rajahmundry itself. I bargained for 80 lakhs, but 20 lakhs, because at that time lakhs is also very difficult. I could not dare, whereas he could dare and come. So here what interest is, if you have will and power, then you can definitely become an entrepreneur. And one of our convocations he has come at the chief guest, Yaman. What he expressed for the entrepreneur, because nowadays there is a entrepreneurship development programs, and also there are number of entrants available. During our studies, we do not know there is a entrepreneurship development cell is existing, and also there is a motivation, of course. So we have studied like that and we have grown in this direction. And how many of us become the entrepreneurs? Definitely I can say at least 10 of our classmates become the entrepreneurs. So now the scope has drastically increased, because anything you start with, you can have million pressure. And also if you are really interested to become an entrepreneur in some area or other area, my interest is from now onwards, you have to speak to people who have started and do this some entrepreneur at the area of your interest. And you should think high, but start at the low level. And also, if you are interested in some particular area, you go for for the plant training, or internship, or summer training, or also you can go and work voluntarily. Even after your graduation also, if you are really interested, you go and work even without salary in the area of the fields where you are interested. Because gaining the knowledge is very important, and there are many, nowadays the starting is not enough, because the marketing is equally important. And see, because of this stuff, many times we can say we are earning high. When we compare one electrician who has a contractor who has given a first time contract from me, he became a millionaire, and also he has maintained 2-3 cars. So such a enthusiasm one should have created. Don't think always if you work and relax. And you work initially, no doubt, because you can work and gain the experience. With that experience, you try to come out and become an entrepreneur and develop your own empire. The advantage of becoming an entrepreneur is because you are creating a path to your successes. And also, you can show many opportunities other of your younger generation. Today, I am very happy our Dr. Shankar has bring very knowledgeable person who have moved many countries also. He will give you, because one cannot create at the same day, but your interest is more important. and also try to interact in the area where you are interested. And I wish at least few of my well-tech students will become future entrepreneurs. Let me feel proud they will become few GMRs from this well-tech university.
Our distinguished chief guest, Mr. Swaminathan, and coming to his educational background, he was an undergraduate from Madras University and also he did MBA in Department of Management Studies from the University of Madras and he got first class in distinction of 7 subjects with 75%. Coming to his knowledge and experience, he has been trained for various faculties, industries like BSNL, Punjab National Bank and also India and abroad. Now he is the life member of Indian
program without expecting anything in any industry in which you think you have interest, in which you think you can become an entrepreneur, in which you think you can do something different. That is something that I take from your speech, sir. And sir is, classmate of GMR. GMR is one of the leading companies in India now. They have power projects, the construction company. He just now says that the sugar industry, they have sold it out. And definitely it would have been exciting to represent 14 power plants. Of course, they were there with us. I used to work in Shanghai. So GMR used to be there along with our company for procurement of plant equipment. So I have a small presentation, right? I will touch upon. I've never been an entrepreneur like Stephen, sir. I've been all along working with companies. But I have within the corporate sector that one can be on means and definition. I don't believe it's a very confusing, not clear. This is definitions are either correct or totally incorrect. But generally, descriptions are better. How it helps, what it means to be an entrepreneur, and how it helps. What is the difference between an employee and an entrepreneur? Right? All entrepreneurs are correct. What do you think is the percentage of entrepreneurs who are successful?
Sir, keep your mouth.
It's a 10. Good. But say, it is not right at the beginning to say that only 10% of the entrepreneurs are successful in an entrepreneur development program. But that is the reality. But once an entrepreneur is always an entrepreneur. An entrepreneur will not like an employee. He may fail in one, he will continue in other ventures. He will move forward and forward and forward here. Once an entrepreneur will never like work. Right now, I request Stephen sir's permission to remove my jacket. Please. I promise I will remove only the jacket.
Please.
Students, what way is students? Generally, I find that entrepreneurs are not good students. But my appeal to you is that with money you have come here and choice and go to please complete your course successfully for becoming an entrepreneur. Left to education. But my appeal to every one of you is please complete your course successfully. Right? Do not go by other examples. I have plenty of examples who have not passed class 10, who have not passed class 12, who have been dropped out in colleges. Right? So please do not do it. Your father's hard earned money is given. Right? You have really or wrongly, they are all what many students so you're all right, you're all engineers, become an engineer first. Right? Your prime duty at this point in time is to study, and study. At the end of the program, you become an entrepreneur in case you have the spark, in case you have the guts, in case you have the confidence in you. So now we will also see how it is relevant to students
As he said that please concentrate, focus on this. Characteristic of an entrepreneur. What are the personality aspects and behavior attributes? In what way they are long, or short, they are black or white, right, they are fat or thin, they are modern or we will see what makes an entrepreneur. Right? Next. So scroll it up please. Down. See, I understand that some of you may not know Tamil. Please pardon me in case I speak in Tamil here and there. Not difficult for you. In case anybody has any doubt, I can translate it, and because there are people here who can translate it, but it may come to me naturally. Because being my mother tongue, I may come out to me. Is going to matter. Scroll it up please. Just point number 6 is what? Point number 5. 2. 4. 4. Point number 4. See point number 4 here. See point number 5 is entrepreneurial processes. What are the sequential steps? That is first you conceive the idea in your mind. So everything like Vivekananda says is done by sequence. Everything is done in the mind. Then we put it in the board to practice. So first the idea first, then to practice it first sequential steps. You have to say my friend has a teach and what there are 2 of my friends who are along with me. Maybe right in case you have you may publish from the Sacred is there directly from us. We want to be an entrepreneur. Today is the best time. The ecosystem is the best for anyone to start on his own in case. And we have, my own examples are mostly localized and the impressions are will be based on but what I understand is that we have even the overseas student. So all are Indians only, right? So we have national examples in the program. They are international examples. They make it interactive. Hello.
Silence, wait in silence.
Next. I'm Swaminathan. You may note down in case anybody is interested afterwards, so they can touch with me. I can guide you. Kindly note down my mobile number, email ID. Anybody is interested, you can note down. For example, there are entrepreneurs who are not being businessmen. I can give some example. Since it's election time, may not be advisable for people who Tamil Nadu, but I will give you an example of Andhra Pradesh. N.T. Ramarao is an entrepreneur. He was a film actor. He realized that he can become a chief minister. He realized that he can become the ruler of Andhra Pradesh, and he took MGR as a role model. He felt that MGR can have the support of the masses of Tamil Nadu. Why not I from the masses of Andhra Pradesh? And he became a star of Andhra Pradesh. He floated a party. He believed, at least in Tamil Nadu, MGR had to depend on the name of Annadurai, whereas N.T. Ramarao believed in his own name. N.T. Ramarao believed in Telugu pride. He started the party called Telugu Desam, still surviving, is ruling today. He is an example of business area. Like that, India's story also is very interesting. India raised certain questions which were inconvenient. He showed up to the party. He believed in himself. He said that I will show you who I am. He contested a by-election through a proxy, and he won by huge margin. Today, their party is surviving. Their party is ruling. I'm not equivalent to right. Now, believe it or not. There are similarly some people in other areas, in art, Renaissance painting, new Protestant religion. It's all new way of doing things, questioning the existence, questioning the current climate, current rule. Entrepreneurship is creating something that was not there. First, not there earlier. Not necessarily that every entrepreneur has to create something new, but there are things an entrepreneur generally thinks. For example, it is me working on my mind. Some of you who are doing electrical engineering or electronics can look at it. I always felt that as an old man, I don't find a remote control for few lights. I read and read and read, and my work 1 o'clock to midnight. I find it difficult to get out of bed and then switch off the light. So if I were an entrepreneur, and if I were an electrical engineer, I would think of a way of remote control to all the lights off. Now I will tell you one thing: if somebody invents something and creates it, they will. Okay. Now it is creating something, it is selling something. Most of the entrepreneurs sell, and whatever you create, no point unless you sell. You have to sell. It is setting up a shop. Entrepreneurship is you have to set up or establish something. Facebook, Microsoft, a company, a shop, a platform, a mobile car. So something has to be there physically as an institution or an establishment. An online platform, Ubay. Right, now the other side is in red color. I have consciously chosen the red color on the right hand side. These are all very interesting, very romantic, very charming, right? Not romantic. I thought that only old people find the marvelous or even youngsters will say, right? Now stepping into an unknown entry, nobody has done it, or your parents will say that don't do that. My father is alive, when I walk out, he said, have it. Even today, he said, right? Now this is how I have been brought up. This is how majority of the Indians have been brought up. Right? Better to take up the job. I am looking for my daughter's admission. So I look at who are all the companies who come. As a parent, generally people do not look at what is the entrepreneurial enthusiasm. We all look at who are on the campus, who come to provide us. And personally, our Indian ethos, that is the ecosystem which we have been generally brought up. It is risk taking. entrepreneur takes risk. A job seeker does not take any risk. Seeks security. Good. Who said that? Good. He seeks security. He wants to be safe, play cool. He plays at the back foot. He blocks the ball. He does not move up to the crease. It is something like stepping out. Stepping into unknown territory is like Brendan McCullum stepping out for a fast bowler halfway down the pitch, and he will get stumped, but he will be halfway down the pitch. At least he really stepped up the challenge bowler. He should be bowled. We can all see all, and he should fail first. Generally, entrepreneurs fail first. Mr. Honda was not selected when he applied for a job in Toyota. He applied for a job in Toyota, he was not selected. His pride was hurt. He started a company. Right? Now, invariably, unless we learn to fail, we have programs for success. I would like to conduct a program for failure. Unless you fail, Roger Federer won only 17 times the Grand Slam title, but he has lost more number of times the Grand Slam title. So, success is once or twice, failure is almost regular. Failure is assured. Success is not assured. So, an entrepreneur is ready to fail. He fails. He fails. He fails gladly. He learns. He is not worried. He succeeds at last. Like all movies, the villain, not just the hero, finally succeeds, or at least he thinks that he has succeeded. He believes in ever forward movement. He keeps moving forward. He is not looking. There is no rearview mirror for an entrepreneur. He knows he has fallen. He knows he has failed. He knows he has not been successful, but he is not worried. He thinks of what next. He can do. They don't cry over spilled milk. Whereas if my daughter drops water of milk, we will spend in our home 2 hours in scolding her, in teaching her how to hold the milk bottle, right? How to clean the floor, things like that. That's how we are brought up. But things are changing. Younger generation are in a different ecosystem. You have got opportunities. And it is not a destination, it is a continuum. An entrepreneur does not stop at one station and says, yeah, I'm from. Either he hands it over to this generation, or he himself continues with something else and something else and something else. The next. What a thing. See, the difference between, it is very easy, right? The difference between an entrepreneur and an employee. Say, an entrepreneur obviously works for himself. I said works for you, but actually it should be works for himself. Whereas an employee works for someone else. An entrepreneur pays salary. I know one Gujarati bodybuilder, he used to work for a show here. Ahmedabad, he has this factory. Many of the BEST, Bombay-based buses are built by him. And he used to say, he used to have difficulties in supply, delivery, all that. Many of his buses are running in Sri Lanka. So he used to say that what gives him the pleasure of being an entrepreneur It's called Ruby Coach. The first company is called Ruby Coach. He used to say that the salary day, when he gives up salary, he gets a fulfillment. Every month only, he may suffer loss that month, but he says that gives me fulfillment. I see the workman getting salary from our people, gives me immense satisfaction. So you pay salary. I had a few examples of people who have dropped out of class 10 because they could not study, they did not understand mathematics, but they have employed people, they are working on it. I have been able to employ only 2 people so far. One is the servant maid my wife has employed, another is a trainer, right? Whereas employing somebody, not that we treat them, not that we are superior or something, but we give livelihood to somebody else, something cannot be matched. However much high you are placing the compensation, nothing will give you that much pressure, nothing will give you that much satisfaction like the salary provider, an employment provider, or a job provider. Rather than say who's better, job seeker is better or job provider is better? Provider is better. We all agree, right? So bear in mind that if you have it in you, never settle for a job. And you will not, if you have it in you, you will not settle for a job. Because the spark in you will definitely fire you into get the best out of, and you will end up as long as the whole thing. Go back please. See, the entrepreneur gives orders, whereas the employee takes orders. The boss says, you come and go work, you go there. Whereas entrepreneur says very clearly that you don't have to come tomorrow, you don't have to. So the order he gives, now comes the response. Being an entrepreneur, you bear the burden. You bear the cross. You bear all the consequences of your mistake. You bear all the consequences of your inadequate performance. You bear all the consequences of the market forces. You bear all the consequences of all other difficulties put forward the ecosystem. And you cannot give excuses. In the companies you can give report. We used to give a report why I have sold. You can see, after the elections, the parties that failed will give reports and explanations and other things. Whereas once you are an entrepreneur, if you are the leader, you cannot give excuses. Like, the other party has spent money, this is that. Because you are responsible. You decide. You are the decision maker, and chances of failure is not a small chance. Chances of failure is what percentage? My friend rightly said 90% is the chances of failure, but still that thrills some people. That is motivating to some people that let me accept this challenge. Is there anyone who can sing here? Can anyone sing? He says he can sing. So one of the two is not telling the truth. Okay. Anyone has gone in the giant wheel? Giant wheel. So others have not seen the giant wheel or have not gone in the giant wheel? Not gone. Say an entrepreneur is one who will take a giant wheel. He will try, what it there, and we see that so many old people are going, why I cannot sit? Experimentation, right? It is a natural experimentation. They don't feel, we see this, they don't feel shy. I know that you're good in singing, right? But you feel shy. An entrepreneur never feels shy. If you are shy, no, you are not an outdoor man. You are found inside the cocoon. You do not want anybody to see you in your full capability, in your full avatar, in your full abilities. You do not want others to see
because you have kindness and some sense of care. An entrepreneur is not money. I have entrepreneurship is a big word. I have to E where entrepreneurship comes. He is obsessed. He is obsessed means he is fallen in love with this idea. He cannot speak. He is so uncomfortable. He is a flat-minded person. He is a non-conformist. What is a non-conformist? There is a lady now protesting by saying that ladies should be allowed in Sabarimala temple. Ladies should be allowed in Shani Singapore. I am not going to the merits of that, but it is one of the traits of entrepreneurs. That is, they want to try something new, they want to show something new, they are non-conformists. No grammar for them. Tamil does not take Ilakkanam meaning. They are all beyond grammars. They don't get bound by any of the rules. They are looking for opportunities to break the rules. Creative, they are creative, they are innovative. Now what is Nike? What is Nike? Nike shoes, everybody knows that. Just do it. They don't think. They don't research. They don't argue, they don't debate, they believe in just do it. You better do it. They believe in I don't care how we do it. Right? Whereas I will analyze, I will argue, all the negative points will look like to me. Right now I said that 90% of the people are failing. That will stay before my eyes. Just don't care. Just do it. That is, I have found, I am not being communal, I may touch upon certain communities and their traits which I have observed with an objective mind. I have found this in Punjabis and Sardaris. They just do it. I give you an example of one of the leading dairy makers in India. That is dairy. This is dairy. Which is the leading dairy in India? That is dairy. That is D-A-I-R-Y is milk and milk products. Dairy is where you belong. Eagle is one of the largest brands. Chennai is an entrepreneur. When Eagle went for offering his dairy, they shortlisted 4 or 5 people and they were asked to meet the next level boss for a next level 2 interview. When others came for the interview, he came with a sample. This man worked overnight. He felt what is suitable for a bank and he produced a handmade diary and he won the orders. And if any of you have not used Eagle diaries, I can personally vouch the best in the country. They also started in notebooks, but they have not been very successful. But Eagle diaries, they have about 100 varieties, right from pocket ones to big planners. Excellent diaries they make. And this is a story he did it. They are daredevils. Right? They don't care for anything. They try and they do it. They have enormous self-confidence. They have enormous self-confidence. I have written Viswas. Viswas, when I used to work at Calcutta, he was my secretary. Viswas used to say, he was an executive secretary. Viswas used to say that if Viswas cannot do a job, no one else can do. You look at his confidence.
Today is Vishwas, one of the biggest entrepreneurs. He was a secretary to me. When I dictated, he used to take notes. He used to come and request a bell. He used to come. He used to ask me, sir, give me another opportunity for something else. I'm getting bored writing letters for you. I'm getting bored for making quotations for companies. I'm getting bored for making tenders. I'm getting bored for booking your hotel, booking your airlines ticket. And Bismarck used to say, I challenge, he will say this, I challenge any of your sales staff. I will go and get what you want. If I don't get it, I challenge nobody else in this office can get it. That is the self-confidence that and irrepressible. He will start 6 o'clock in the morning. He was Calcutta Badminton Association president. He used to, after the office hours, go and play badminton, be a coach, be an administrator in the Badminton Association of Calcutta. Extraordinary example of a person with self-confidence. Now he is gone, like our sir was saying, I am here, he is gone somewhere. I am talking about economically. Otherwise, I do not know how he is. Otherwise, right, economically, he is gone very, very great heights. Enthusiasm, extraordinary energy level, unfettered by ranges, we can see. Next slide, please. What is required for a rocket? What is required for an entrepreneur? Self-confidence is required. Idea is required. Good, very good.
Money is required.
Burning desire. That is the most important thing. Ideas can be copied, borrowed, stolen, right? Enthusiasm has to come from inside. The burning desire, the fire in the belly. Right? See, the rocket may have fuel. Rocket may get ignited. The rocket has to catch fire. And catch fire to a steady level so that it crosses the threshold. What is that? I forgot the
Escape velocity.
escape velocity. It should have the sufficient energy to cross the threshold escape velocity so that it is projected into the atmosphere. Like a rocket, this man has extraordinary burning desire, fire in the belly. Ideas can be there. Right. Family support is another important thing. Generally, our family members would prefer all of us to have a friend. I know it's difficult for me also to. I also prefer to be in your position. Right? You are very enterprising. Family support. Many of the families will say that no, don't do that. So better take this law. It is safer. This is how we have been as Indian because we come from a lower level of economy, right? But if the rich parents who can afford it, they say they are making mistake. I can understand parents who have hard earned their money, hard earned their wealth, and they say that it's not advisable. One can understand. The first time that ways others, but the rich people should encourage their wards to do what they feel like. Then the motivational system should be there in the family. So many of the families, I don't know business people take pride in saying you may be a peon in the show, but people say take pride in saying that I'm working for Infosys. I don't know what they are doing in Infosys, but they take pride in saying that. Whereas business, even if it does a good business, business they even generally you can find ladies saying that I'm not happy. This guy says that he's doing business. Nobody cares to understand what business he's doing, and everybody discourages. Right? Even if you say to your parents that I would like to do this, give me some 10 lakhs, 5 lakhs or something, your father is not going to accept. We come, at least your father, my generation, it was not known. And I also hail from a community where think of being on your own is unimaginable. They say, supposing you say that maybe you have huge amount. My first semester was 57 weeks. 1967, the first 2 months only, I studied in MIT, Tiruchi. The first semester was 57 rupees. To pay that 57 rupees for 1 full month fee, my father did not give that money to me because that money was huge for him. And therefore he would travel all the way from Tanjavur to Tiruchi, pay and then inform home in those days. He'll come to the hostel and inform me your expense for this month has been paid. That was the situation they had in those days. But now things have changed. Now the parents should be encouraging. The parents even today do not encourage. It is the fault of the parents and not of the walls. Motivational system, funds are available plenty. There is no dearth of funds today if somebody wants to start anything. There are banks, there are private sector institutions, there are Mudra Bank, there are Mahila Bank, Mahila Bank. So their bank is rated not money to retail entrepreneurs. But they go to main entrepreneurs also, but the original idea was to fund because generally there is male domination in the society. The male members may not appreciate the desire of the female members. Things their requirement may not be met was the intention behind starting this particular bank. We have ecosystems, IIT Madras, and you have a club, you have an entrepreneurship club. IIT Madras, they do incubation because they own boards, projects, right? You know what is incubation? Essentially creating and holding. Now, in the government system that we have, central government systems are there, needs, national entrepreneurship and enterprise development system or something like that is there. Then you have Mudra Bank is meant for new entrepreneurs to fund them without much difficulties. So we have a lot of systems in place. Next. So I said, sorry for people who are first time graduates, please do not think of venturing into. As I said initially, please complete your studies. Your studies are more important. Do not like Bill Gates, drop out. Right? Do not drop out of your classes. Your father's hard work money is there. Take a degree and then plan to do. Right? Second, those who have family burden, commitments. You know, some of you may have brothers, sisters, disabled member in the family, seriously ill parents. Like that, in case you have, I would suggest, please do not think of entering economically weaker section by exams in area. I know that a lot of these people, right? But generally, many of you take from economically weaker sections. So I look at your mobile phone to look at the encryption and all this, right? So, and then there are people who are prepaid and discovers. They by nature, they are airway, that way. They are by nature very timid, very shy, very poor, introvert, and not going to as of now, change the personality. This is a suggestion only, right? Similarly, shy guys, not the feel for, you do not feel shy for anything. Never feel shy for anything. Very good thinkers. You know, those who are interested in research, those who are interested in going in deep and deep and deep, not suitable for research. Thinking
has to be put a full stop at some point in time. They are good for, they will be doers rather than thinkers. You know, Aristotle will not be good, right? Stephen Hawking or Einstein will not be good entrepreneurs, right? Those who are very interested in academics, right? Too much nerdy, right? They may not be good. They are more interested in the area. They are more interested in what is happening inside molecules. You know, there are people who live inside molecules, inside an atom rather than the real world. So such people may not be suited. Yeah, next question. So yes, you can. So these people can look at it. The family which has already some enterprises there, take over the payment from your parents. Any of you, your father is doing business? What business?
that is one of the best resources that we can
can approach them. They can give you support, they can give you back, they can hold you. In case you make mistakes, they can guide you. Right? They can comfort you. You need all that. You know, you will be alone. All you will say, I told you, we are very focused on something. இதெல்லாம் நமக்கு வேண்டாம். நம்ம இதில் யாருமே பண்ணியதில்லை. யாரெல்லாம் பாரு, ராமன் பாரு, கிருஷ்ணன் பாரு. This is how others will say. But there will be some people who are real good friend of you, will hold your hand and say, I'm there for you, don't worry. This is all. We can look at like that. We have lots of banks. Banks are full of entrepreneurs. Banks make businesses to finance entrepreneurs. No, I need silence, please. No, I need silence in this. No, if you feel that it is...
Say, maintain silence.
I can stop.
Say, this is a special program. You are all will come.
I can stop here. No, I don't want to do this stuff. I come here for a purpose. If you feel that it's a waste of time, I don't want my stopping here, please.
See, we have taken efforts for bringing the person. So maintain silence. Another 15 minutes will be closed because it is not a regular program like your regular class.
See, NBFCs, non-banking finance corporations are there to help us. There are state government. There is an institute called Entrepreneur Development Institute, instituted by Tamil Nadu. They conduct regular programs, training programs, because Tamil Nadu government institute, right? And they conduct regular training programs on various areas where entrepreneurs get into. Similarly, central government schemes are there in Hindi, you know, MSME schemes, micro, small scale industries, they give various programs. You may see newspaper ethical hacking, you may see newspaper shipping documents, you may see newspaper logistics, and different subjects they conduct training programs on a regular basis. Now there are private sector institutions. I am a volunteer member in one such institution called BYST, Bharatiya Yuva Shakti Trust. So I used to give mentoring support to people, and we look at in BYST, the lower startup society. They may not be able to know how to fill a form. They may not be able to know what it means to maintain an account. They may not have a bank account. For such people, we help, we hold their hands like a ayah selling dosa on the streets. We may fund them. We may encourage them to become entrepreneurs. There are similar private sector for fees available. I am available free. I know that you may not approach me because you are not able to tolerate people for 45 minutes. And you are not definitely going to tolerate me for your venture. Right? Next slide, please. Are Indians entrepreneurs?
Yes, sir.
What is the conclusion?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes. But none of our trainers were.
No.
So Indians are impressive or no?
Yes, sir.
Say Indians were one of the earliest to do export overseas business. Indians were one of the earliest to travel by ship and sell the products. Many of the kings went, many of the Eastern countries, ASEAN countries, were all at one point in time markets for India. Many of the ships of India were bigger than many of the European ships. They are by nature, right? If you walk through Ranganathan Street, is supposed to be the most crowded shopping area in the world. Ranganathan Street is the most crowded shopping area in the world. You walk in any of the roadside, you will find first shop Ramalingam Murugadalai, second shop Shilpa Beauty Parlor, third shop, right? Kirana shop, fourth one is a jewelry shop. There are more jewelry shops in Vinagar than textile shops. I think most number of textile jewelry shop must be, I'm sure, in 1 square kilometer of Vinagar, the entire world. Somebody can take reference to such shopping, right? I have never seen such a huge shop like Saravana stores. My God, he is building one somewhere when I was studying